Okay, so you need to understand how to use automations to make your quizzes work. So I want to show you how to do that in today's video. I want you to go over here to Site, and we're going to go to Quizzes. So I'm going to bring up my sites, go to Sites, go to Quizzes, and I'm going to jump into this landing page quiz build because this is what runs through my automation. So I'm just going to show you. A rough way of describing this is that there is a score that's given to someone who is going through your quiz based off the answers that they select. Based off of that score, you have the ability to tag someone afterwards and send them into a specific automation based off the tag that they're given because of the score, right? So let me show this to you. So we get to page 4. What would you like to do next? If someone wants to get the codes, well, then they're going to be tagged with a certain score. If someone wants to skip that and they just want the designs, they want to do it themselves, they're going to be given a different score because of that answer. That's how simple this automation runs, because I don't want to do a lot of stuff with it. I only want to know who's hot, wants to buy right now, who's cold, who doesn't want to buy at all. So I go over here and we are going to look at this information. I'm going to click this gear icon. It's going to bring up the information that we're looking for. You can see here that the score is a score of 90 for anyone who wants to save time for such and such. And then the score here, trying to design this all myself, is a score of 90, but it's in a different category. So we have the category of hot and the category of cold. That's important because we want to make sure that we know where what they are scoring in. This makes it really easy. The way that we add categories is that we just click on the category selector. You can go to add/manage, and then you would just add it in down here, add a new category. Whenever you bring yours up, you're probably not going to have any there. So just add that category in, and then you click submit based off of those two. I know you're finding this video super helpful right now, but if you wanted to just copy and paste some codes and have an outstanding quiz up and running on your website in the next 5 minutes, then click the link in the description. You can go back into any of these buttons. And so let's say that I wanted to add a different tag in a different category, and I wanted to categorize this question with agency, client, work, coaching, consulting. I would go down to this original GoHighLevel formatting for the code. And I would just click that gear icon and bring that up. And then from agency client work, I could go to category, I could add a new, and from here, I would add in that category. Since all of these are running within this quiz, they're all going to show. This is important because this is where we would then add a score. And if a specific score ranged within that area, let's say that I added 30 to agency client work, then that would give us a score of whatever, right? And so from that, you can send them through different automations. If they have both tags, if they have the tag of agency client work, and then they also have the tag of hot lead, that may put them into a new automation. For this, I didn't go that far because I just wanted to know who was a hot lead, who was a cold lead. And if you found this helpful, then I think you're going to find this video helpful next. It goes over some information on how to build quizzes and save you some time.